Northwest Show Choir is starting their competition season off strong by doing their home premiere night.
This year our show is based on Monopoly, so we just go through a series of different songs, like starting off with a song called Play the Game, and then we have songs about taking a chance, and then Jailhouse, and then finally we close the show with I Just Got Paid.
Premiere night is like our first show where we can show everybody what we've been working on all season and just like to get a performance in before we go to competition.
We start off the season with premiere night just to show everybody what we've been working on since August. And then from there we get a little bit of feedback and we have a week to work on it. And then we go into our first competition, which was at Lincoln High. And then we go to Millard this weekend, and we have 3 other competitions, 2 in Iowa and then 1 here.
The competitions that we're going to are more challenging this year than the years before because we think that we're ready to like move up and start competing with like these bigger schools.
I've been in show choirs since my freshman year, auditioned then, and every single year after that you just audition again. My favorite part of our show this year is probably the closer. I just like the energy in that song, and it's like a fun dance to do.
I've been in show choir for 3 years. It's a great program to be in, and I just like it because I like to sing and I like to dance. My favorite part of the show is probably the closer, when we have our costume change. We have Monopoly money dresses, so we get to do like this whole number. It's fun to see people's reactions. We go to 5 competitions. We have our own invitational that we host.
We perform for everybody after the other groups have gone.
And then we have a concert at the end of the year where we perform our shows.
We wish 14 Karat and Voce good luck this competition season.